हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। सो मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। Let's get into the video without wasting any time. So today I'm gonna react on the first episode of My Romance Scammer. I already reacted on the trailer of this series, so let's get into it because I am a big fan of Ju and Mark and Om and Pun. I know Pun and Om from the other series, but they are the new couple, so I want to see what kind of chemistry they're gonna have. Let's see what this series gonna bring. Okay. Oh, Mark is looking handsome in red. Like he's looking so handsome. Okay. Why Pun and Mark is giving each other this kind of look? Uh, oh, Mark is giving the grumpy vibe to me. He have that mature kind of aura. Like Mark and Pun are siblings in this series. Oh, I'm like literally scared with Mark aura. Like he's giving me so serious kind of vibe. I'm like literally scared with it. Pi. Okay, so his name is Pi. Okay, so Pun is like delusional and Mark is like point and observer. The intro is so good. Oh man, like you have the horns on their head. It's looking so good. But of course they have it because they are the scammer. I'm loving the intro. I think I'm gonna love it because I love Ju and Mark acting and I saw Om as an actor before and I know Pun as an actor before. Like what kind of chemistry Om and Pun gonna bring? I'm a bit of curious about it, but I'm pretty sure about Ju and Mark because I already saw their chemistry and they are fabulous whatever they do. So, Mark and Pun is rich, like too rich. This old actor I saw in Thai Lacoons before. Like I used to watch so many Thai Lacoons before getting obsessed with BLs, and somehow I do remember this old man being into a lot of dramas as a father or as a villain. Okay, so Pai is like a responsible grandson. What? Okay. Oh, this is so open. He's like, whoever you want to marry, man or woman, we don't care, just marry. Oh, Excuse me. Okay. Okay, so Mark was dating somebody and he broke up because Mark, you are for Jew, so you just can go for junior, baby. Why always the aunties are so dramatic in every series, even in Indian series and any kind of series, aunties are so dramatic.
น็อตจะไปแต่งงานได้ยังไงน็อตยังเด็กอยู่เลยอยู่ให้กงเลี้ยงก่อนเอาไว้โตขึ้นอีกนิดนึงถ้าน็อตอยากจะแต่งงานเมื่อไหร่เนี่ยเดี๋ยวกงสนับสนุนเต็มที่เลยกงพูดอะไรแล้วน็อตไม่อยากจะไปเรียนรู้งานจาก
Okay, so they are cousins. So Hopun is North and he is Pi. And like they are cousins.
คือน็อตคิดว่าน็อตอยากจะด้วย
North is scared to go with his big brother.
ยังไงก็
I love Poon as an actor. Like even his real personality is so funny, and as an actor, I love whenever he acts.
น็อตจะเปิดร้านขนมกับเพื่อนครับได้ไหมครับกงนะก็เอาอย่างนั้นก็ได้โอ้ย
Oh, North, our Poon is so cutie pie. Okay, who? Oh, Mark. Like our CEO have so good aura. Like I'm loving Mark in this mature kind of aura.
ร้านนานาเล็กเรื่องนี้เขาจะถามคำตอบคร่าวๆไว้ให้แล้วตอนประมาณบ่ายสองนะคะจะมีประชุมบ่อตอนหนึ่งทุ่มนอกนั้นจะมี
So many meetings. His hair's gonna turn grey. Junior have to save our boy from overwork.
เราเลือกนัดเขาทำไมนะนานากลัวว่าคุณเป็ดจะเหนื่อยนะคะไม่เป็นไรแค่ทานข้าวเองผมเกรงใจเขาแล้วนี่คุณเป็นอะไรหรือเปล่าดูผอมนะไม่ได้หอมเลยค่ะ
She was speaking non-stop, that's why she's fainting. Yeah?
โอ้โหเออกูไม่เล่นแล้วโอ้
You know what, they have such a different personality as a cousin. Like, Pun is all about in entertainment and want to live his life, and then we have Mark who is like CEO and have to handle so much work.
นี่ตรงไหนเนี่ยคือ
This series why I'm liking it because more, in GMTV I see like they are leveling up from their university and high school drama. Like
ตัดผมมึงอะ
I love those kind of drama, but it's enough. Like
โอ้ย
I just had enough of those kind of university setting.
เรามาโฟกัสอะไรให้มัน positive
Okay, what positive you want to focus on?
โอ้ยคือกงจะให้กูเป็นมึงไงไปเฮียไปกูไม่ได้อยากไปอ่ะกูก็เลยหาเรื่องอ้างเปิดร้านขนมแบบนี้ค่อย
I can understand. Like Pai is kind of so mature and grumpy.
จะ
Even I cannot work with somebody like that.
เอาจริงนะกูนี่ไม่
I would love to work with somebody like North who have good personality, like something
ไป
funny.
ซะทุกอย่างส่วนอีกคนก็หล่อเด้มวยปั้ม
Huh?
อ่ะนี่
No, Pun baby, you are not a loser.
เอาจริงๆจะไปโทษเฮียไปก็ไม่ได้อะกูดันโชคร้ายเกิดมาพ่อแม่ก็ตุยแล้วกูต้องไปอยู่กับเฮีย
God, no, baby. It's not your mistake that your parents died. Don't think like that.
อยู่ด้วยแล้วมันเครียดอะมึงดุก็ดุจะทำอะไรผิดพลาดนิดหน่อยนะหมดแล้วอะ
He's your big brother. Just forgive him because he is yet to find something like juice so he can open up a bit more.
นะเออ yes อืมคุณนัดแฟนไว้อะมึงบายทิ้งเลย
Like Pune's like, my work is over. I'm going. Bye
เจ๋ง
bye.
อย่างแน่เลย
Oh, our baby Mark is working at night too.
ภาพความประทับใจงานแฟร์ยิปอากงโสพลถ่ายโดยน้องต้าสาย
Pick up the phone. So many messages are coming. Mark is looking so good into this blazer. Like everything is he's wearing in this series, like into the first episode, it's so good.
นะนะใช่ใช่เสือ
Oh, his assistant is also is like her.
จะออกไปเดิน
His
เล่น
assistant is also working whole night with him.
คุณกลับไปพักเถอะที่นี่นะคะ
Oh, so he's a good boss. Clap for the good bosses. He's so lonely. Like what's giving kind of like he have everything, money and everything, but he's so lonely. Okay. Ju, my baby. Even in the trailer, I said this like Ju hairstyle and everything is looking. He's looking damn handsome. Junior is looking so good. Okay, so Junior and Mark is now meeting with each other. So we're gonna have a love story, guys.
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับอ๋อพอดีว่าผมทำกุญแจรถตกไปในบ่อน้ำอะครับ
How you dropped your keys?
เนี่ยเหมือนกันครับเนี่ยถึงได้ทำบ่อน้ำไว้เยอะขนาดเนี้ยสงสัยเชื่อสินแสมากเกินจนไม่ได้คิดถึงความปลอดภัยของลูกค้าคงนั้นมั้งครับอ๋อผมพิมพ์ครับเป็นสถาปนิกครับพอดีมาคุยอินทีเรียกับลูกค้าครับคุยกันเพลินรู้ตัวอีกทีห้างก็ปิดแล้วผมไปครับนี่คุณไปเป็นพนักงานที่นี่เหรอจะว่าอย่างนั้นก็ได้ครับเจ้านายคุณไปนี่ใจร้ายน่าดูเลยนะถึงได้ถามคุณไป
Ju, baby, don't run your mouth. He's the boss himself. Like, why they're looking like they're falling into love already?
แล้วนี่คุณหากุญแจรถเจอหรือยังครับยังเลยครับ
And the huh? Mark fall into the pond. He fall, guys. Like I before I want to say like the contrast of their colors, but they are wearing is so showing the personality. Like why it's giving like
ช่วยผมหากุญแจให้ตกไม่ได้
Ju gonna be wild and Mark is white, so he's just peaceful. And the color palette is like the background is good. Like I'm liking the vibe of the video.
หรือว่า
Like the whole, episode, I think gonna have this type of color palette which is soothing to your eyes and
ตรง
good to,
ใครเขาจะ
watch.
ไหวมาแย่งผมก่อนดิทำไมผมก่อนเรื่องคุณเนี่ย
Okay. Huh? What happened? They're already splashing water on each other.
เป็นไรหรือเปล่า
Oh, this is so soon. Like they just met and they already falling onto each other and like whatever. At least our baby Mark is looking happier than he was before working alone and being lonely. He's happy now.
3 ขีด 58 เปอร์เซ็นต์นะครับขอบคุณคุณไต่มากจริงๆนะครับนี่ถ้าไม่ได้คุณไต่เนี่ยผมคงนอนแห้งแน่ๆเลยแล้วนี่อย่าบอกนะครับว่าหัวหน้าคุณไต่เนี่ยขังคุณไต่ไว้ที่ห้างจริงอ่ะบอกได้นะครับเดี๋ยวผมจะแจ้งกรมแรงงานให้
He's the boss himself.
คือผมเป็นเจ้าของห้างเองครับ
And that's why I told you, Junior, don't run your mouth. เหมือนในละครคุณธรรมเลยเรื่องที่น้ำตกกับเรื่องอื่นๆนะผมต้องขอโทษจริงๆนะครับไม่เป็นไรเลยครับเอาจริงๆผมเองก็ไม่ชอบน้ำตกตรงนั้นแต่ผมสู้สินแสของครอบครัวไม่ได้จริงถ้างั้นผมว่าคุณไต่น่าจะต้องรับผิดชอบแล้วครับ What responsibility?
ผมตกหลุมลงไป
I'm grinning like Mark is like you have to take the responsibility. Maybe it's you who fall and did whatever you want to do. So why he gonna take a responsibility? But I was sailing your boat. I am with you.
ไม่เป็นไรครับเอาเป็นที่คุณไต่สะดวกก็ได้ครับจะเป็นครั้งหน้าหรือ
I kind of liking the vibe of this episode. It's kind of, mature on the places, then fun, and the whole element of, showing their characteristics and how they are like together. It's kind of giving good vibes to me.
คุณไต่อย่าถือสานะครับ
It's not that kind of, fun into a fun way, but it's kind of, a soothing, mature kind of series.
ขอตัวก่อนนะครับ
Or maybe the first episode is giving that vibe and we will have a lot of fun because GMTV do have comedy into their series. So of course they're gonna have comedy and when we have fun, of course it's not gonna be only mature. He's such a goofball. He's gonna do a lot of fun. Okay, Mark, are you falling for him? As trailer, I know like Jew is a scammer, so okay, so he's searching. That means this is the first step of falling for him. If he's searching his name, the handsome and yummy architect. Okay, Mark, you are falling for him, but please be cautious because oh, the abs, Jew, you have abs. Oh, oh God, he keeps sending hearts. Why this always happen? Like whenever somebody try to stalk somebody's Instagram in series, they just end up liking the picture without wanting to like it. It's always like this.
เป้าหมายหลักของผมในไตรมาสนี้คือการดูเขากลุ่มแบรนด์ที่กำลังเป็นที่นิยมในโซเชียลเป็นจุดขายหลัก
I'm loving as a CEO, he have variety of clothes he is wearing. Like the scenes are going in and out, and every time you can see like he Junior have different clothes
เราจะไม่ไว้ใจใคร
into different color palette, but not Junior. I'm sorry, Mark have different color palette, but Junior have the black color palette in both the scenes we saw. And then eye contact
คุณไต่ครับ
is like they know each other from so long.
เปิดโซนใหม่ให้ตั้งบริเวณไหนดีครับบริเวณชั้น 1ครับเดี๋ยวเราไปดูบริเวณนั้นด้วยกันนะครับ
As a CEO, Mark have, I'm liking in every scenes he have different kind of clothes on. I love when CEO wear suits and stuff, but the casual clothes are good too.
ฝากถอน5 โมงเย็นครั้งนี้
Oh, why they're meeting each other again and again? What kind of coincidence is this?
ฝั่งฝั่งคุณเอ็มนะคะแล้วก็ฝั่งฝั่งคุณเอ็ม
This is so like such a coincidence.
คุณประธานมาหาลูกค้าเหรอครับวันนี้ดูออกเลยเหรอครับ
Okay, so now Mark is wearing black and
พักอ่ะ
Jew is wearing different color.
ก็เลยรีบกลับไปเซ็นสัญญาไม่เป็นไรเลยครับ
You know why I'm liking the color, why I'm saying this again and again, because it's
เจอคุณไป
showing their meeting on different timeline and different days. So it's not like it's only going into one day or second day, it's like one day after another.
ครับได้ครับครับ
I love when Mark is smiling. Like
วันนี้จะ
in starting he was looking so sad and now he's smiling. I'm liking like
หรูหราเลยนะ
with Jew he's like discovering his smile.
พอเรียนจบมาก็ต้องรีบหาเงินคืนครอบครัวครับพอดีถ้าพูดเรื่องครอบครัวแล้วผมเป็นค่าเลี้ยงชีพครับ
Huh?
ป้ากับน้าเขามีผมคนเดียวเขาก็เลยอยากให้ผมได้ดีแต่บางทีมันก็แอบกดดันเหมือนกันเหมือนเขาฝากอนาคตทั้งหมดไว้ที่เราคนเดียว
Why I'm feeling like Jew is already approaching Mark with a plan to scam him, because how you just say something sensitive to the person you just met and start showing them your emotions. It's nearly impossible to do it when you don't even know that person that thoroughly. Okay, whatever sales they're bought, I am with them. Jew, you are cunning. Even if somebody smiles like that to me, even I would have fallen into love like Mark is doing for Jew.
พอดีดาราเรียกแล้วผมก็ต้องไปแล้วเหมือนกันครับเดี๋ยวก่อนครับคุณเคน
Okay, take the number. Is he gonna take his number? Oh,
อันนี้เป็นคอนแทคส่วน
so he's giving his number to him. Hmm. This is pretty cool, baby.
ถ้างั้นผมเข้าไปจีบกันไหมครับอยากทำอะไรก็ทำเลยครับถือว่าขอแล้วนะครับ
This is okay. So 1 month later, why it's going so fast forward? Like it's going like one scene after another. Now they are going into dates with each other. Like it's kind of so fast. Okay, 3 months later. Why they're skipping the timeline? Oh,
ทำอะไรเนี่ยยังไม่หนีเฉย
the way you grabbed Mark F. So 5 months later, so he met his family. Like you met Mark's family, and they are into relationship with each other like for 5 months.
นึกว่าจะหาได้ดีกว่านี้ผมรู้นะครับว่าผมอาจจะยังดูไม่ดีพอที่จะไปนะครับแล้วที่โกเกียพูดเมื่อกี้คงเป็นเพราะว่าโกเกียรักและเป็นห่วงไปมากๆแต่ผมจะพยายามพิสูจน์ให้ทุกคนได้เห็นนะครับ
You're talking sense, but you're a scammer. Like I know very well, like this is a plan, Joe. Your eyes are
ที่นี่
like a fox.
เหมาะสมกับไปดี
You're like a hunter who is like gonna hunt his prey slowly. The grandfather is so supportive. Already a kiss? Like everything is gonna happen in the first episode? Oh, oh, oh. They're literally eating each other out. Oh. I was embarrassed to watch somebody do it.
พรุ่งนี้ตอนเที่ยงที่รักไปหาเพื่อนแล้วเพื่อนเขาหน่อยสิ
Okay, so they call each other Tirak,
ไม่ที่รักไม่
baby.
ที่เรานัดกันว่าจะไปเจอเพื่อนฝั่งเขาอะไปขอโทษไปน่าจะลองคิวพลาดเองแหละไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวไว้เขานัดเพื่อนใหม่ก็ได้ขอบคุณที่เข้าใจไปนะที่รักว่าแต่เพื่อนนี่มันใคร
Whatever is happening, nobody can be so, understanding the way Ju is understanding in this series.
เพื่อนไป
My eyes on you.
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับไปเข้าห้องเรียนกันดีกว่า
Now, why the color palette is different? Now, Ju is wearing different vibe color and Mark is wearing blackish colors.
เจอเวลาเรามาดูโครงการของแกงานเกื้อยังไงใส่ก็ต้องมาอยู่แล้วปะแล้วนี่เป็นไงบ้างตั้งแต่มาช่วงต่อโครงการที่บ้านเลยเรื่องวุ่นวายหมดเลยแต่ไปก็มันจะสวยไม่เข้าใจปะก็คงเข้าใจแหละมั้งแล้วเป็นไงบ้างคบกันนานยังก็คบกันได้ประมาณปีหนึ่งแล้วนะ
Okay, so they are in relationship with each other for a year now.
แฮปปี้สุดๆไปเลย
Mark, you are happy, crazy happy, but I'm scared what gonna happen in the future. Like, it's not like Ju have a good approach. Like his approach is good, but his intentions are not good. I'm scared for my Mark, baby.
เรารู้จักกันตั้งแต่ตอนประถมแล้วแหละแล้วนี่เกื้อเขาทำมาทำอะไรครอบครัวเกื้อเขาเรียบๆเคียงๆชวนไปลงทุนมาสักพักแล้วไปก็มาเป็นมารยาททีมเขากับไปอ่ะผมต้องเจออะไรแบบนี้เกื้อโอ้นี่แหละครับมันเก่งงั้นเดี๋ยววันนี้เนี่ยเขาดูแลน้องให้นะ
Please don't start your scamming plan. Like you all are so good with the chemistry. Like as a couple, such a good understanding they're showing, and then in the end, it's all scam. You can see in Mark eyes how much he's falling for Ju. I just noticed the baby Ju was carrying was not a real baby, it was a doll. Like GMTV. At least you could have bring a real baby to make it more heartwarming.
เราคิดอย่างนี้เลยปะมีน้องเหรอไม่รู้เหมือนกันแต่คิดว่าถ้ามีก็พอจะนึกออกว่าครอบครัวเราจะหน้าตาเป็นยังไง
Of course, you gonna be motherly dad and you gonna be motherly father, like.
อยากแต่งงานกับไปไหม
The proposing is happening and Mark is doing the proposing.
ช่างมันเถอะไปทำไม่ใช่
At least you should have planned something to ask, like a ring or something, Mark.
เรารู้ไหม
Like, why Joe is even denying it? Like, didn't he want Mark, like, as a scammer? Of course, he want to marry him. Oh, so he already have a ring. Like, this scammer is two step ahead of everything.
แม่ทีมอะเขาทิ้งพี่ก่อนไปลอนดอนตอนแรกก็ว่าจะขอแต่กลัวเงียบ
I hope this story is true. Like
งั้น
you're not lying like everything, or else karma gonna bite your ass.
ไปครับ
Yes, you will, but I don't trust you. It's not like I can trust him. We all know from the trailer he's a scammer, so whatever he's doing, even it is like a heart warming thing, I'm just skeptical about his everything. So now they're, huh? What is on the board?
มาที่จริงผมไม่ชอบเดินห้างครับถ้าจะเดินจริงๆก็ตอนที่ห้างปิดแล้วผมไม่เคยคิด
God, this board is like he has everything planned. So proposed happened already. So versatile. Ju has such a versatility into his acting. Like when he was with Mark, he was like so sunshine and everything, and now he's like his face when he was watching this board and like I am the hunter and you are the prey and I'm succeeding.
เป็นอะไร
What happened now, phone baby?
เฮียถามว่าเป็นอะไร อย่าทำให้เฮียเป็นห่วงสิเลิกแฟนก็นึกว่าเรื่องอะไร ไปอาบน้ำเดี๋ยวนี้เฮียจะไม่สงสารก็เฮียสงสารเรื่องอะไรเฮียบอกน้องแล้วใช่ไหมพวกคนแบบนั้นยังไงก็ต้องเลิกน้องตาถั่วเองดูคนก็ไม่เป็นแต่ที่เฮียไปมาห้องนอนเนี่ยมีธุระอะไรไม่ทราบค่ะจะแค่มาทราบ
Such a great brother Mark is.
เอาไว้วันอื่นดีกว่าเอาดีๆมีอะไรก็พูดมาสินอนเพิ่งอกหักเอาไว้เราค่อย
Oh, so he want to tell him about his relationship, I think.
เฮียกับเฮียคิมกำลังจะแต่งงานกันจริงเหรอจะแต่งแล้ว
Nor is such a sweetheart, like he's not even feeling bad about how he's heartbroken and he's like our Mark baby is married.
ไม่เอาสินอตไปอาบน้ำล้างหน้าแต่งตัวออกไปเจอโลกภายนอกแล้วก็อย่าทำให้เฮียเป็นห่วง
What I love about it, like Mark is such a good brother. Like even if they're cousins, he literally treats him like so good.
ยังไงก็ยินดีนะเฮียขอบใจนะมีอะไรหรือเปล่าเนาะคือน็อตแค่อยากรู้ว่าเฮียไปรู้ได้ไงอะว่าเฮียคิมเป็นคน
Yeah, even I want to know this because he literally proposed Tim before like Tim can propose him.
แค่รู้มั้งว่าอยากอยู่กับทุกวัน
He want to with him every day and
รู้แค่ว่าถ้ามีปัญหา
what Tim is doing, he's such a scammer.
แล้วถ้าวันหนึ่งยังหยุดคิดเรื่องอนาคตกับเขาไม่ได้
This is not gonna end well. Like, and how can somebody pretend for a whole year?
ไม่ว่าไปเปิดหูเปิด
Like, you need some, like, I know scamming and these things happen in real life, but how can you, like, be into the act for 24/7 with a person and they don't even caught a single thing to, have an opinion, like, if you are a real or not. Like, you need a mad skills to, do something like this.
มือไหนอะไปเที่ยวกันกูอยากเข้าป่า
Whoever broke our Poon heart,
ในอีก2 ชั่วโมง
I need to punch that person. Like, how can you break a cutie heart?
คุณจะไปสวีเดนเลยเหรอกูอยากไปวันเนี้ย
In this angle, like Poon is looking so damn beautiful, you know?
5 4 3 2 1เฮ้ยกูไม่ไหวแล้วว่ะ
So he went for hiking alone. I don't think so, baby. You are responsible. Like, you're not that responsible kind to go for it. Like, you need somebody to protect you because he's such a goofball. Like, I don't know if he can be responsible of even himself. Whatever I have to say this, like GMTV literally did amazing with the direction of this story. Like the storyline is fast, like but the color palette and the background and the places they shoot this on is so amazing, and I'm liking the vibe. Like it's so good to watch. Like it's easy to your eyes to watch it. Like they did great with the direction of this series. And Jumark and Ompund literally deserve it. Like Jumark is working so hard. I'm glad. Oh, like I said before, like Jumark working from so long time. I'm glad they are together, and GMTV is doing great, and they give them such an amazing storyline. Like it's different than their other scripts. Okay. The height difference is so good in Om and Pun. Pun, you're smiling, you're literally cheesing. Why both the brothers are falling into water before falling into love. Om is looking handsome. And he's a scammer too, I think, like because Om and Junior both are scammers. So, whoa, Om biceps are something.
น้องถอดเสื้อน้องก่อนดีกว่ามาใส่เสื้อนี้เดี๋ยวจะไม่สบายเอาไม่เป็นไรครับผม
Poon is such a cutie pie. Please don't scam him. He's literally heartbroken from the breakup and don't have parents, and now he's gonna fall in love and getting scammed. I just pray like whatever is happening, it just end on a good note. Because I do want to know how they're gonna get the forgiveness for scamming somebody who loved them so purely. Like both Pun and Mark gonna love this Om Junior so much, and after they're gonna know like this is a scam. Like
พี่ชื่อยูนะ
I'm liking the way they are meeting each other into the different scenario, but the falling into water is same. First Mark fall and then Pun. Both brothers are clumsy.
น้องน็อตน้องน็อตไม่เป็นไรใช่ไหมตกน้ำแรงมากเลยอ่ะเจ็บตรงไหน
Like why they are not like having suspicious how to pronounce it, why they don't have suspicion of how these people are approaching, and in the first meet they are so good to them, why like Mark and Pun is not noticing it. Like nobody is too good to you into the first meeting without wanting something from you, even if it is a love. Like at least it takes time rather than just falling into it. But I think love just blind your eyes. Oh, And the series have this kind of camera angle like showing eyes chemistry between both the couples. I'm loving it, like the way they are showing the eye contact, and the whole shoot of the series is good. Like, I'm again saying it, I'm liking the color vibe of this series, the clothes they are wearing in every scene, and the color palette is top notch. Whoever set the wardrobe for this series is like amazing. What happened? Like, isn't the Apple waterproof phone? Like, oh, so it's battery or something. Because as far I know, Apple is a waterproof phone.
พันทำกับน้องแย่มากอะน้องเสียใจมากจริงๆแต่ผมก็คิดได้นะว่า
Oh,
มีคนมาสนใจว่า
God. Couldn't just have a mouth. He just blabber and yap.
แต่มันไม่
Like, why he's telling
คิดว่า
like,
กูไปเองก็ได้
everything into the first meeting.
แต่ว่า
And he even don't have to tell it because Om is a scammer and he already knows about his target. I am pretty sure he knows about Pun. And please don't mind me mentioning their, like, calling them with their real names, because I get
แล้วพี่ยูอะครับ
very,
อยากจะได้
confused with the name of the character into the series if I know the actor. So I just always refer them with their real names. So my opinions are on the actors who is acting on the series. Like, my opinions are the way they are into the series, not the way they are into the real life. So please don't mind me calling their real names, because this is my way of remembering and addressing whenever I watch series. It's my way. If I don't know the actors, of course I remember them by their name of the characters they are into the series with. But if I know their real names, I try to put it that way because it is easier for my mind to grasp it. Because,
ก็ได้เหมือน
as you know, I'm watching all so many trailers and stuff, so I get confused if I don't remember things.
ค่อย
And it's not easy to remember everything. Okay, I have to say, I didn't expected Om and Pun gonna have a chemistry like this, but they have a pretty good, decent chemistry, because it's just the first episode and my first time seeing them acting together, and it's decent for me. Like, it's not bad, but I have to see more episodes to see what kind of skinship type chemistry they're gonna have.
ๆจะหล่อจริงๆอะน็อต
But I'm pretty sure, like, both are the good actors, so they're gonna do great work together. So they are lost into the hiking.
อยากกลับบ้าน
Who is like, I want to go home. Maybe first when you were home, you were like, I want to go hiking. Now you are at hiking, you're like, I want to go back. Like, make your mind what you want to do. Or the one thing I love, like, about Om and Pun scenes, like, in the series, first half was Ju and Mark, and second half is like Om and Pun, and I love like how they shows like Om and Pun and Ju and Mark separately without mixing it and giving them like decent screen time without overlapping him. And I loved it. The scenes how Mark and Pun have, like, even the shows like how kind of brotherlyhood they have, like what kind of relationship Pun and Mark have with each other. So it's well directed and well put.
เดี๋ยวอะอยากมาสู้
Pune is such a child. Like, why I'm feeling like Pune is just playing himself rather than playing notes. Like, because they literally have the same kind of, kind of personality. Like, I saw Pune in real life in interviews and stuff. He's like this kind of person. He's already a goofball in reality and always a fun to do together.
เราจะไม่รอเวลาแล้ว แล้วพี่ยูอ่ะออกไปได้ยังคนเดียวพี่อะพี่อยากมีครอบครัวพี่เบื่อการที่ต้องอยู่คนเดียวแล้ว
For me, I'm pretty, shocked with the fact like it's so
จริงเหรอ
going with every scene. Like they're so fast with it. I don't know what they're gonna do in other episodes.
พี่ยังไม่เจอคนที่ใช่อ่ะเราก็ไม่รู้เลยว่าคนที่ใช่อ่ะหน้าตาเป็นยังไง
Okay. If somebody give me a look like Om is giving to Pun, even I would have fallen into love. Like
เชี่ยบอกว่า
both and Ju knows like how to give the look to the person they want to trap into their
เห็
scam.
นหน้าคนคนหนึ่งเราก็จะรู้ว่าเขาเป็นเนื้อคู่ไม่ใช่
Okay. Pun, you're already in love. Like his bubbly eyes is so good. I'm liking it. He literally sneezed.
โอ้พี่ว่าน้องน็อตน่าจะเป็นไข้นะ
Of course, he have a fever because you are like into open hiking place and he literally fall into that river. But I can understand Pun and like Ju, like Pun and Mark at some point because they like the way he don't have parents. Pun, if somebody give you that kind of warmth, of course you would have fall for him without questioning their intentions. Like because how many times you meet somebody who want to scam you, like there is a possibility of meeting those kind of people, but the possibility of meeting people who are real with you is more than possibility of meeting people who want to scam you. Like I don't know, like I can understand into the emotional basis, but if practical base, it's kind of gonna be more hurtful for them.
เฮ้ยน้อง
Okay,
น้อง
so other hikers found them.
เฮ้ยพี่ยูมาแล้วพี่ช่วยหน่อยพี่
The way he jumped into like arms is so good. Okay, I'm sold on their chemistry. I'm gonna stand them. Om and Pun, my babies, you are into the list of the people I like as a actors and as a BL partners. You are amazing. Like the chemistry is working. Even if before I felt it decent, like as the
เราก็ควร
episode is progressing, I can see like it's not decent, it's good.
ไม่เกิน100 เมตรด้วยซ้ำเลยนะแต่ว่ามันจริงมากเลยนะพี่ผมคิดว่ามันจะตายในป่าแล้วจริงๆอ่ะมันดีที่
He's like, I'm gonna fall into love.
พี่ก็ดี
Like, I can see in your eyes, like you can fall into love because, yeah, it's kind of that way only.
นะครับ
A ring? Such a fast.
พี่เห็นตัวอย่างเดียว
At least Ju and Mark took a year, but he already giving him a ring. That's very right. When a scammer want to scam you, they literally hits your point where you cannot do anything other than falling for them.
ผมขอคอนแทคเลนส์หน่อยครับ
Okay. Almost like my plan is working. And if my babies cried because of you, Om and Ju, I have to punch your faces. Okay, so they're giving their numbers to each other on a photo. The romance is progressing so soon. I'm feeling like this series gonna be more into pain and drama than because romance is going so smooth. So of course, whenever a romance goes this smooth, then you of course gonna have a lot of pain in upcoming episodes. The way Poon is looking to the ring, like I don't know what to say about it.
เฮียไปรู้ได้ไงอ่ะว่าเฮียคิมเป็นคนที่
Huh?
ทวนด้วยอ่ะแค่รู้ว่าอยากอยู่กับเขาทุกวัน
Poon is already thinking about the marriage.
แล้วก็หยุดคิดเรื่องอนาคตกับเขาไม่ได้ก็คงถึงเวลาต้องแต่งงาน
No, baby. This is so soon, and I don't support this soon kind of marriage. Okay, so they are meeting each other, I think, for dates now. Like how Ju and Mark did, they also meeting each other.
ลุงน็อตหาพี่เจอได้ไงครับใช้ไว้ก่อนได้ไหมครับน้องมีเรื่องสำคัญอยากจะขอพี่อยู่อะครับครับตั้งแต่กลับมาจากป่าก็คิดกับตัวเองว่าถ้าน็อตตายจริงๆอ่ะมีอะไรที่น็อตต้องเสียดายอีกไหมเรื่องเดียวที่น็อตคิดออกคือเรื่องพี่ยูนะครับอาจจะฟังดูบ้างมากอ่ะน้องอยากเป็นอะไรต่อไปแล้วอ่ะ
Even Om, even if Om is a scammer, he is shocked like how soon Poon is falling for marriage and going for marriage.
ไม่มีอะไรเลยนะครับลุงน็อตพี่มีแต่ตัวพี่จะเป็นคู่ควรกับคนอย่างน็อตได้ยังไงครับน็อตไม่สนเรื่องเงินทองอะครับน็อตมีทุกอย่างหมดแล้ว
Even I'm like if I was a scammer and like somebody fall into my scam so soon, I would be like, wait a minute, how you are falling so soon? Even I would have been shocked. Like Om is. He literally give him a check and he's like, marry me. Like he's buying his husband.
มีพยานมาไหมคะ
They're already onto the marriage bureau.
เดี๋ยวเสร็จเอกสารตรงนี้นะคะ
North is such a character. He's a person like I think who just go with his impulse side. Like if you're a person who just go whatever your head says into first go, North is that kind of person who just do it without thinking like the outcome of it.
ครับไม่มีอะไรครับ
Why you scared like shocked with the surname? Like didn't you know about him before? Like
250 ล้าน
250 million to marry North. I think we all should go and marry North to have this money. But at least we will not scam him, we will love him.
ทีละมงคลนั้นคุ้นจังวะ เฮียมีร้านเลยเหรอ
Now, like I think he's a scammer, but he didn't know he like the way Ju knows about Mark, but he didn't know about Pun like family background. And he's like, okay, I got a big fish. 250 million is nothing because his family is 10 billion. He's like, I caught a big fish. Mark is looking so sexy into white shirt.
ครับเป็นอะไรหรือเปล่าหึอ๋อเปล่านี่ที่รักยังไม่อาบน้ำอีกเหรอครับก็ว่าจะไปอาบตอนนี้เขาไปอาบน้ำก่อนดีกว่า
Why you're running away? Like what you did more than scamming now, bro?
รักเกียรติครับห้ามตกหลุมรักเกียรติ
Okay, so now you're falling into love. This is your karma biting in your ass. Oh, the bathtub. They both are into the same bathtub now.
เข้ามาเมื่อกี้แต่ไม่อยากรอเลยเข้ามาอาบด้วยกันเลย
Just leave your plan and fall and just pray to all the gods that Mark don't find you're scamming him. Okay, this is a sexy move Mark did.
เดี๋ยวเราก็แต่งงานกันแล้วนะ
Okay, so he's falling into love, and every chit he pasted like onto that board is removing because he's like literally going out of his plan. His plan was just having the target to marry and scam money, but now he's just, oh, the kiss is so deep. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, the next week, the episode.
ห้ามตกไว้นะครับผมไม่ตกนะคุณคงมันนอตคงยังไม่รู้จักพี่ดี
So both Ju and like you know
เราเริ่มทำงาน
Om don't know each other, but they know like they're scamming Mark and Pun. So they are like gonna team up together, I think, or whatever. Of course, now Ju is falling for Mark, but it's too late, baby. You literally had a plan, and I think this was the whole episode of My Romance Scammer. I love how fast the series was, the palette, the color, and what I loved about it, whenever the series have two, three couples, they don't give them, equal timing and stuff. But with the way the series give both, first half to Jumark and the Ompun, the second half, it was kind of good. And I loved it. I have good expectations with the second episode. I hope they just continue doing things like this. But the first episode was so fast, so I'm like curious what they're gonna have in other episodes, like because it's going too fast. Let's see what's gonna happen in the next episode, and please stay tuned for the reaction of the next episode. Please subscribe to the channel so I can know like you're liking the content. Please subscribe because that is important for me, and comment down below if you want me to react on anything, and like the video and share the video to the people who love watching reaction channels. Bye bye babies. I love you all.